Home-based tiffin services are one of the most practical and in-demand small food businesses in India today. This guide covers all the essential steps to start and run a tiffin service from home, including kitchen setup, legal registration, pricing, packaging, delivery, and more, to help you build a reliable and sustainable business. Step 0: Mindset, Skill, and Commitment. Before starting your tiffin service, prepare mentally and practically. Be ready to manage daily cooking, orders, and delivery. Commit to consistency, hygiene, and time management. Sharpen your meal planning and basic nutrition knowledge. Step 1: Kitchen setup and hygiene. Your home kitchen needs to be safe and functional. Keep it clean, pest free, and well organized. Equip it with essentials: gas stove, pressure cookers, inductions, utensils, storage containers, etc. Follow FSSAI hygiene guidelines. Step 2: Market research and menu planning. Understand what your customers need. Target students, bachelors, office goers, or senior citizens. Decide on veg, non veg, or diet specific plans like Jain, diabetic friendly, etc. Create a rotating or fixed weekly menu. Offer basic and premium meal tiers: mini meal, full meal, executive thali. Step 3: Business planning. Plan the structure of your business. Choose a brand name, set your delivery area radius, offer lunch, dinner, or both. Create pricing for daily, weekly, and monthly subscriptions. Step 4: Comply with legal requirements in India. Legal basics to operate a food business from home in India. FSSAI basic registration is mandatory. Apply online at here. GST is optional under 20 lakhs turnover but can be useful if scaling. Municipal NOC may be needed based on your local rules or housing society policies. Step 5: Sourcing and ingredients. Build trusted relationships with vendors. Buy fresh vegetables, rice, pulses, oils, and spices from wholesale or trusted local vendors. Stock up based on weekly meal planning to avoid wastage. Use clean storage bins and label items for rotation. Step 6: Packaging and delivery. Choose a system that balances cost and quality. Use disposable containers or reusable stainless steel tiffins. Brand your packaging with stickers or notes. Start with self-delivery or use services like Dunzo, Swiggy Genie, or tie up with local delivery boys. Step 7: Pricing and subscription models. Offer flexible plans to attract more customers. Price meals between 80 to 120 rupees depending on type. Weekly plans 400 to 600. Monthly plans 1500 to 2500. Offer add-ons like sweets, salads, buttermilk, etc. Step 8: Branding and identity. Give your tiffin service a professional identity. Create a memorable name and logo. Use WhatsApp Business to showcase menus and receive orders. Distribute simple flyers or PDFs in nearby offices or apartments. Step 9: Market and sales. Reach your ideal customers effectively. Promote in apartment groups, PG hostels, local shops, and tuition centers. Use Instagram for daily food shots and customer reviews. Offer referral discounts, first meal free, and festive specials. Step 10: Accounting and record keeping. Stay financially organized from the start. Use Excel or apps like Vyapar, Khata Book to log orders and payments. Track expenses: groceries, gas, delivery, packaging, and utilities. Accepts payments via UPI, QR codes, or bank transfer. Step 11: Scaling and growth. When you're ready to grow, add meal customization or health-based options. Tie up with local businesses and small offices for bulk orders. Hire a helper or assistant cook to handle volume. Eventually, consider expanding to a cloud kitchen model. Step 12: Customer service and retention. Customer satisfaction equals to repeat businesses. Send feedback forms via WhatsApp or Google Forms. Offer occasional freebies or discounts to loyal customers. Communicate delays or menu changes in advance. With minimal investment, basic cooking skills, and a passion for serving fresh meals, a home based tiffin service can quickly become a profitable and respected business. It's more than just food, it's about community, reliability, and personal touch. Start small, stay consistent, and you can build a brand that's known across your city for quality homestyle meals.